Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, guys. Don't be fooled by what people are saying about Shiba Inu. Don't be fooled about Bitcoin. Don't be fooled about Ethereum. A lot of people saying that things are going down, that this is the end, that we've hit the top, and from here cryptos are just going down, down. Guys, absolutely don't be fooled. This is a great time to be alive. We're going to talk about Shiba Inu. We're going to talk about Dogecoin. What to expect, guys. We're seeing a lot of news out there. We're seeing that the inflation rate has gone up. It's almost 6.1%. It's the highest it's ever been in 31 years. We talked about that in the previous year, but that's really having a huge catalyst and an impact on the crypto markets, guys. And I think today we're going to see that most of crypto markets are going to be going down, down. And also, too, right now as we're recording this video, we're seeing some really interesting stuff coming out. You can see that the top trending coins right now on Twitter are, Bitcoin, Solana, Shiba Inu, Cadena, Doge. So these are some really huge coins that are now trending on Twitter. Some of the top 10 highest trading coins by volume in the last 24 hours has been Tether, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance USD, Bitcoin Cash, Loopring is really starting to explode, guys. Litecoin, XRP, Cardano, and Shiba Inu. So a lot of people are still looking at Shiba Inu, still insisting that Shiba Inu is absolutely going to the moon, guys. So that's really cool beans. Some other stuff's happening. You can see that if you look at Dogecoin Run Part 2, if you look at the chart, you can see that the previous run, which went from February to April 1st, we saw this huge descending triangle. And we're seeing that Doge is forming a very similar pattern right now. And this could point and this could indicate up to 1,000% breakout, guys. We can see ourselves going 1,000% breakout from this point, guys. So Doge going to the moon, guys. So it's looking pretty interesting, pretty bullish overall, guys. So I think you guys are gonna love it. I'm gonna love it. Let's get it, guys. So things are looking pretty good. Sure, things are a little bit down. The total market cap is down right now a little bit, but it's just it's a little bit of consolidation. So I really wouldn't worry about it too much in the house, guys. So it's nothing to be really fearful. And I've said, Alan, you said that we're not going to see the cycle top till around about August, end of December. So we've got about 41 days left if we continue following his prediction. So we have Plan B saying it's going to be $98,000 incoming at the end of this month. So I think we're going to get there. I absolutely think we're going to get there, guys. I wouldn't panic too much. Some other stuff to talk about right now is we can see that, why did BTC pull back to 68K? Well, we're seeing right now that there is a massive increase in Bitcoin margin futures open interest this afternoon. Traders are going long. A huge long interest with BTC, and they're using BTC as collateral. So it looks like there's going to be no free lunches. So once again, when we have all of these longs at 68, of course we're going to get a pullback. And I keep telling you over and over again, exchanges manipulate the market. When they see billions of dollars in long positions that are using leverage, they're going to get wrecked, and there's going to be a pullback, guys. So that's what it is. So I really wouldn't be panicking too much in the house right now. And if we take a look at our fear and greed index, our fear and greed index right now is at 77. So at extreme fear, extreme greed. I gotta get your words right. Get your words right. Extreme greed. So we're at extreme greed right now, and that's at 77. And previously we were at 75. So things are still looking good. Things are still heating up. Things are looking pretty bullish. And retail investors are still yet to FOMO into this market. And when that happens, you're going to start to see things absolutely explode and go crazy, and there should be a huge moonshot. And that's what is going to take Bitcoin to 98K. It's not going to be the institutions. The institutions are already gobbled up all the Bitcoin that they need to gobble up. They've already gobbled up all the Ethereum that they need to gobble up. What's going to drive the next price push to the next level is absolutely going to be Joe Public, Joe Nancy Drew, who are going to start to FOMO in like crazy, and it's going to start happening, and it's happening right in front of our eyes, guys, and it's just a matter of time. And we can see as this fear and greed index, even though we can see Bitcoin is still down from its all-time highs only about 24 hours ago, we're still seeing the fear and greed index increasing. So that tells me that the FOMO is intensifying. What should you be doing now? Remember, this video is not financial advice. This is just the OG giving his opinion. And the alien's giving his opinion too. What you should be doing right now is very simple. Hold, hold, hold. Do not panic sell. Do not panic sell out there. And you should be dollar cost averaging. Look at buying the dippy dips, guys. So if you're seeing the top projects that are down double digits, you may want to consider to pick up some bargains, guys, because this bull run is still not over. Like I said, the Bitcoin top is not going to be here till around Christmas time, and I'm going to tell you when I'm going to be taking profits, when I think we're going to get closer to the top. And remember, once Bitcoin hits the top and starts to cool down, we're going to see the altcoins start to explode and start going to the moon. And that's what happens in every single cycle. So it's not something new, guys. It's absolutely not something new. This is what happens in every single cycle. So it's going to happen again. It happens every cycle, guys. So don't panic. And if we take a look at the total market cap right now in the house, let me just give this a quick minty refresh for you to make sure we got you the correct update. Want to make sure you got the right update. Even the alien's saying that. So let's just change it to the logarithmic chart for you. And right now we're seeing that the total market cap is at 2.95 trillion. So it's down from where it was previously at just over 3 trillion. So it's come down a little bit. We're also seeing that the volumes are also getting higher and higher. And that's 166 billion in the house, and we're seeing that Bitcoin dominance is going up a little bit, and it's at 41.93, and it's going up because some of the old coins are shedding some of the profits. There also has been some profit taking in the last 24 hours, guys. So guys, don't be fooled. And we're going to jump into Shiba Inu in a second. I want to tell you how this is going absolutely to the moon, guys. So let's take a look at Bitcoin price in the house right now. So we're seeing Bitcoin right now is trading at 65,173. Had to look down at the chart, guys. And we're still seeing ourselves way above the 21-day EMA, so you have nothing to worry about, nothing to panic there. We're also seeing right now, if we look at Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart, you can see yesterday it went all the way up to my 68 level and tested that, got rejected, and then it got supported around my, we have support around about 65,000 level, and that's a huge support. You can see that right here. So that's looking pretty good, looking pretty peachy keen in the house. Guys, let me just put my glasses on. So you can see that we have huge support around about the $65,000 level, and it's looking pretty good, and I think that's providing huge support, and I don't believe that Bitcoin is going to drop below that. So you guys should be pretty comfortable and pretty settled in the fact that 65 is some huge support. So where do I see Bitcoin going today? I think we're just going to be range bound. I think we could get ourselves up to about 67,000, and I think we're just going to go sideways for the next 24 hours to 48 hours until this whole inflation thing's kind of, it kind of, people forget about it, and then we're going to be smooth sailing again, guys. Let's take a look at the Dogecoin in the house. Sorry, this is Ethereum, guys. Let's take a look at Ethereum in the house. So Ethereum right now is trading roughly around about $4,711 in the house. And you can see it's still following this huge channel line. And if we just zoom out from this channel line, you can see this whole channel line here. What it does, guys and gals, is it goes all the way up to around about 8K. So if Ethereum follows this line, we should be at around about 8K by the end of the year, guys. Remember, Ethereum is an altcoin; it's not Bitcoin. So when altcoin, hits its top, Ethereum has still got enough steam to keep going, guys. So right now, Ethereum is looking pretty good. It's like I said, it's at $4,711 in the house. And it's looking okay, it's looking peachy keen, and it's just traveling inside this trend line. So if it stays in this trend line, you guys have nothing to worry about. $8,000 by the end of the year is absolutely incoming, in my opinion. This is not financial advice, absolutely not financial advice, so I think that's what's going to happen. So I could be wrong. We're also let's take a look at the gas fees right now. Right now the gas fees have come down a touch, but still the gas fees are very expensive, and this is one of the things that is really hurting Ethereum right now is the gas fees. So a lot of the large traders, they don't really worry about it too much, because what's happening is that they're trading large amounts, so it really doesn't affect them. But for the retail traders that are trading hundreds of dollars or $500 or $1,000, these fees really add up, and they can take a big chunk out of to take a big chunk out of the day. So, if you look at here, if you just do a ERC transfer, you're looking at $36.74. So if you're selling $100, that's almost 37% that you're paying for the fee. So that's outrageous, guys. So let's take a look at the Doge in the house right now. My Doge in the house, and you can see right now, sorry for the pop-ups. We all hate pop-ups everywhere. So you can see that Doge right now is trading at 26 cents. And it's fallen outside of my trend line, guys, but we do have some major support around about 25.16. So I'm pretty confident that we're going to stay above the 25.16. We really need to get back into this channel. If we cannot get back into this channel, then we're definitely going to be going all the way down to around about 23 cents, guys. So let's keep an eye on that. Doge could drop down to 23 cents unless Bitcoin giddies up. So if not, then we're just going to see us going pretty much sideways around about 26 cents, 25.96, 26 cents. So I wouldn't really, don't worry, do not panic. I think there's still more upside for Dogecoin. And as I said, that Dogecoin could see itself, blasting off here. And we're forming this pretty much same kind of pattern that we had back in February and April. So if this does form, and it is forming right in front of our eyes, we could absolutely see Dogecoin blasting off. So let's take a look at Shiba Inu. Now everybody's been fooling you with Shiba Inu. I believe that Shiba Inu is definitely going to be 10xing from here. We're definitely going to be taking one of those zeros off, and you can see that Shiba Inu right now is trading around about 51, and we have some overhead resistance right here, guys, at around 55. And you can see that we have this huge descending triangle, and we really need to break out. We have major support around about 43, and we're just trading on the downward side. I think what's going to happen is most likely we're probably going to go all the way down to a 43 in the next couple of days. So probably by tomorrow or the next day, 13th, we could see ourselves at this level here at 43 cents, and then from there we're going to have a huge massive explosion to the upside, and then we're going to blow past this 55 level, and that should take us up challenging all-time highs. So don't discount Shiba Inu. A lot of people are fooling you, trying to fool you. I think we're going to see a 10x coming from here, and we're going to be definitely knocking off one of those zeros. So I really wouldn't panic too much in the house for Shiba Inu. It's still looking pretty good. And let's take a look at ADA. ADA has been going sideways for such a very long time. It's been going sideways since the end of September, and it's almost getting pretty close to being a month right now. So ADA yesterday was in my zone 2, and that was trading between 215 and 235 level, but we have dropped to the top side of zone 1. So right now ADA is trading at $2.12, just below the $2.15 level. So that's now become resistance. So that's kind of really depressing. That's not become resistance. And so hopefully we can pull out of that and we can get ourselves going up and giddy on up, guys. So keep an eye on ADA. I haven't given up on ADA. I have not sold any of my ADA. Smash the likes if you like this content. If you love it, tell me in the comments, guys, and tell me what's going on. And Solana is also looking pretty good, guys. We're going to get another pop-up. Oh, we didn't. So Solana's trading at 241, and like I said earlier in the video, we're just going to be going sideways. We really need to find out what's going on in America. If Bitcoin does go up, guys, that's going to be really a good catalyst, and that's going to send Solana up, and a lot of the altcoins are going to go up with it, guys. So with that being said, guys, let's jump into the markets right now, and let's see what's going on. So right now we can see right here is that Bitcoin is down 2.21%, and that's trade. Let me just make this a little bit bigger so it's easier for you guys to see. So Bitcoin right now is trading at $65,464, and that's down 2.19%. But if we look at the 7 days, we're still up 5.67%. We're still up, right, Alien? Alien's still happy with Doge. Alien's still happy with Bitcoin, and Alien's still happy with crypto. Guys, do not panic. Do not panic. Smash the likes, guys. Go down there, smash the likes. And Ethereum right now is down 0.5%, and that's at 4,722. And that's up. We're still up 4% over 7 days, so that's looking pretty peachy keen in the house. And BNB right now is up at it's at $632. That's down 3.1%, and it's at we're up over the week about 13.37%. So it's looking pretty good, guys. So today there's not a lot of really big, like, thundering crazy news out there. We all know about Robinhood. They lied to us and they said they're going to list Shiba Inu. There's been really no news from Elon Musk. There's nothing really related to Dogecoin, other than there's been some scuttlebutt around the internet that Tesla's coding the payment options that's going to include Bitcoin. And remember, had this whole thing about, the coding was Bitcoin and Shiba, and then the Shiba army went nuts and said, hey, they're going to be supporting Shiba. So some guy on Twitter went out and he kind of, changed the code from null, and he looked at it, and in fact, it's Dogecoin. Because if you look at the pay wallet that was there on the Tesla website, on the development site, not the public site, you can see that the wallet was actually the D7 wallet, which was the Dogecoin wallet. So this confirms to me that absolutely Tesla's going to accept Bitcoin and Dogecoin very shortly, guys. It's just a matter of time. So they've coded it in the back end already, but because they put the word equals null, when you repage or when you go to payment options for Tesla, you're not going to see Bitcoin and SHIB pull up. So it's there, it's in the encoding. Definitely Bitcoin's there. They did update a little bit. They did take out the Shiba part, but Bitcoin is definitely up there, and that should be released pretty soon. So that's really big news, guys. So Solana right now is at $242, and that's basically neutral. We're up only about 1% in the last 7 days, so that's kind of a bit sad story for Solana in the house. Polkadot right now is at $49.15, and that's down 5%. Smash the likes. Dogecoin to the moon, guys. Let's get it. And we're seeing that right now. Shiba Inu is Doge. I'm so bad. So we can see the Doge has flipped Shiba Inu right now. So we can see that the total market cap for Shiba Inu in the house right now is around about. Doge is around about 34 million, and Shiba Inu is 30 million, so 30 billion. So Shiba Inu has to catch up, guys. So right now we're seeing Dogecoin is down about almost 5%. It's down 1.45% for the whole week, but we're still up 18% in the last 30 days. So that's not too shabby in the house. And we're seeing right now that Shiba Inu for the whole month is up 74%, is down 9% for the week, and is down 5.3% in the 24 hours, and it's trading around 51 cents, guys. So it's not looking too good for Shiba Inu in the short term, but in the long term, don't be fooled. Don't let them lie to you. I believe that we're going to break out past that resistance level at 55, and we could see, Shiba Inu maybe going 10x from here. That could absolutely happen, guys. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to go to my Twitter. Follow me on Twitter. You're going to love it. I'm going to love it. Let's get it right now. Do it. Follow me. And don't forget to go down there. Subscribe, BYB. Subscribe in the house. Get it while you can. And don't forget to follow all of my links below, guys. Become a Patreon member, guys and gals. Buy the channel a coffee. Support the channel. Show some love. And don't forget to check out my merch, guys. We got a lot of new products. We got a lot of new products out there. We've got the hats. We've got hoodies. You know all about that. But we've got a new product which I call the Beardy Bear. So get the Beardy Bear. Your kids are going to love it. I'm going to love it. It'll be really good stocking stuff. I get it for Christmas, guys. And don't forget the one and only, the famous Mug in the house, guys. Take a look at the mug. You're going to want to get the mug. Get the mug, guys. Mug is great. It's full of joy. It's full of hope. And one final thing. Don't forget to go back and check the wifey channel. Happy wife, happy life, guys. You're going to love it. I'm going to love it. So I just want to say peace out, guys. I love you guys to death. I'll see you in the next one. I'll see you in the next one around about 10 p.m. Vietnam time. Let's get it, guys. You're going to love it. I'm going to love it. I see you. God bless each and every one. This is the OG, the Ric Flair, of crypto, coming back at you in the house. And the alien in the house. And the alien in the house. What is that alien? You love the community? I love the community too. So go down and smash the likes and show some love, guys. I'll see you absolutely in the next one, guys. I love it. You love it. Let's get it.